Your gut plays a key role in digestion, immunity, and overall health. And one of the easiest ways to support it is by starting your morning with the right drinks. In this video, we'll explore the best morning drinks that can improve gut health, reduce bloating, and keep your digestion running smoothly. Why morning drinks matter. When we wake up, our digestive system is ready to reset and prepare for the day. Drinking the right fluids in the morning helps flush out toxins, rehydrate the body after sleep, and feed good gut bacteria. Instead of reaching for coffee right away, choosing natural drinks can boost digestion and set a healthy tone for the day. Warm lemon water. Lemon water is one of the most popular morning drinks for gut health. Warm water hydrates your body while lemon provides vitamin C and helps stimulate digestion. It may also support liver function. To make it, simply squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm water and drink it first thing in the morning. Plain water. After 7-8 hours of sleep, your body is dehydrated. A glass of water first thing in the morning activates digestion, supports nutrient absorption, and helps flush toxins from the system. It's simple, but very effective. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is soothing for the stomach and can reduce irritation in the digestive tract. It also has natural compounds that support healthy gut bacteria. A small shot of pure aloe vera juice in the morning can calm the gut, reduce bloating, and improve bowel movements. Ginger tea. Ginger has been used for centuries to aid digestion. Drinking ginger tea in the morning can help reduce bloating, ease nausea, and improve the movement of food through the digestive system. To prepare it, boil fresh ginger slices in water, let it cool slightly, and enjoy it warm. Other options. There are other gut-friendly drinks you can include in your morning routine. Cucumber and mint water keeps you cool and refreshed. Apple cider vinegar, when diluted with water, may support digestion and metabolism. Herbal teas like peppermint or chamomile can also calm the stomach and reduce discomfort. Tips for best results. Drink these on an empty stomach for maximum benefit. Avoid adding too much sugar or artificial flavorings. Stick to 1 or 2 drinks consistently instead of switching every day. Listen to your body. Choose what feels best for you. Conclusion. Starting your day with gut-friendly drinks is a simple habit that can improve digestion, boost energy, and keep your gut bacteria balanced. Take care of your gut in the morning, and it will take care of you all day long.